going.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sirius. I forgot one. Happy birthday to you. Yay! Good boy. Here you go. Oh! Yay! Birthday party. Yay! Sirius is 5.
5 years old.
Legion came to the party. Jack's here.
He's got a dog birthday party. Jack. Oh, he's already getting presents.
Oh, it's your big one. He knows which one's the best.
There you go, Lee. There you go. What is that?
It's Legion. It's Legion.
Oh, that was Legion's.
I didn't know. You have to give us a look. He doesn't know. David, look. You get it. Oh, yay! I gotta go rewrap this one. That's super funny. Oh, that's your seal. What is that? Do you want to get in the picture?
Sure. Gotta let him open another thing. Is that treats he can share with everybody else?
You can share. Oh, what you got? Oh, we got Buddy Biscuits. Oh!
Legion, what are they doing?
Legion, look. Legion, we got a treat.